All right, back at Menifee, we just received our final building sign off. I then took it to the city and got our sign offs at the city for a certificate of occupancy. So you can see we have our sub panel here, we have a thermostat here, we have a ceiling cassette for our mini split. We have another one in the bedroom as well. Full-size kitchen. We have, what else? We have our washer dryer right here. We have our pantry right here. Some more little storage right here. And then we have one full bathroom and one full bedroom. This is a permit ready unit in the city of Menifee. 1 bedroom, 1 bath, measures 586 square feet. We give them attic access with the storage platform because storage is an absolute premium in these. You can see the second cassette right here for our mini split. And this unit's 100% electric, so we have our louver door, and then we have our heat pump water heater, 50 gallons. Don't forget that. It's gonna be your switch. So very cool unit, ready to move in. These are casement windows for egress. Like I said, there's a stackable. We have the pantry, little storage area in the hallway. Nice bathroom, and then a full kitchen. So if you're looking for anything ADU related, give us a call, 951-234-9487. We do these in Temecula, Marietta, Riverside County, a ton in Menifee. So yeah, a lot of experience with these, whether it's a custom unit or a permit ready unit, we can help you out.